if this video does not cut out me, it is. I'm gonna smash my phone. I just heard this up real quick. It's here. All you gotta do, ask the girl. I know you're watching this video because you watch like every one of my videos, so like pointless to watch. So I don't understand it. Yeah, and I kind of want to go to the school dance. I'm gonna hang out with the other person that's gonna watch this video for multiple reasons. You know why, person that I'm referring to. God, my hair looks greasy, my skin's dry, I gotta take a shower soon. Anyway, just make sure you get this good angle, make sure you get this nose and the unibrow and all that stuff. Here is this. Is this an Impala? Hold up. Nope, it's not Impala, it's a Hot Wheels though. 60s. No siren. Nice interior. Need it. Look how low this is. Look how low it is. Oh. Man, that thing's low. Compared to this, though. Compared to this truck. That thing is low. What about this truck? That thing's pretty low. I don't know. This is what you get when you have ADHD and you're bored on a Sunday.